Attaching a document to an assignment. Teachers may attach documents to assignments so that the student may open it from Campus Portal. This is an excellent way to share and distribute documents such as a course syllabus, project templates, study guides, and more. This video will demonstrate how to create an assignment and attach a syllabus. First, from the left navigation bar, click on Assignments and then select Create Assignment. Any field in this form in red indicates a required field. So first off, let's name our assignment and give it an abbreviation. What shows up in the name field is also what will appear in Campus Portal. So be careful with typographical errors and spelling errors. Whatever appears in the abbreviation field is what the teacher will see in the gradebook. Select Type. An unscored activity will not appear in the gradebook. Instead, it shows up in the teacher's daily planner. The scored assignment does show up in the gradebook and can be scored. Test strand is a field that DeKalb is not using at this current time. The notes area is a place for a teacher to write notes about the assignment, which only show up for the teacher when viewing the assignment. These do not show up in the Campus Portal. Scrolling on down the page in the section placement, this is an area where the teacher can copy assignments to all of the sections with identical course codes. So here I can check. It will fill all the fields. Active indicates that this assignment is active. Hide would hide the assignment from the student and the parent. Teacher may use that if they're creating a bunch of assignments ahead of time and don't want those to be visible. For instance, a pop quiz or something like that. The assign date and the due date are both completed by default, but those are easy to change simply by clicking on the calendar and selecting another due date and then click the Fill All. The sequence just indicates the order the assignment will appear in the gradebook. And then student groups. This area is used for a differentiated instruction. Groups must first be created in the Student Groups tool over here on the left. Okay, so scrolling on down the form, we're now in the Information for Students area. This usually is a collapsed field, so to see the information here, let's click Show. All of the areas here will appear in the Campus Portal. So let's give a little information here in the description of the assignment. So I'm going to say a course syllabus to be reviewed by parent and student. Okay. You can also enter objectives here, and by the way, you can copy paste from other products like Word documents. References, this is also an optional area where you can add information for your students. So now we're down to the Attach Resources button. This is where we're going to find our syllabus document and attach it to the assignment so that the student and the parent can both view it in the portal. So the first step is to name this attached document, and I'm going to call it Course Syllabus. Oops. And then select Choose File to navigate to wherever you have your document saved. And in my case, I put it on my desktop. So here I can see syllabus assignment .doc. It's a Word document. So let's click Next, which takes us to the acceptable use policy. I click Agree, and now you can see that you have successfully attached a resource. If you ever wanted to delete the resource, you click on the X and it'll take it away. So scrolling on down the page, we have another section called Student Work Product. This area allows you to have a student submit documents as well, which will show up in the portal. So our final step here is to scroll on down the page, and now we need to select a grading task for this assignment. All grading tasks for 18-week classes will go here in the 18-week average. If it was a 9-week course, it would go in the 9-week average. But this is a semester-long class, so the assignment goes here in 18-week average, and then you see our categories. So we're going to put this in a pre-assessment category. And scrolling on down the page, actually that's the end of this field. So we have successfully created an assignment, and the final step up at the top is to click Save.